All right. So now that we've kind of shit talk Facebook and uni degrees, um, what kind of passion projects are you doing? And
Passion
cyber and
projects.
otherwise, what are you
Yeah,
up to
all
these
right.
days?
Yeah, right now I'm playing with I'm trying to create these snapshot report cards for my team
Mm.
using Grafana.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, it's something I've been dabbling with for the last 2, 3 weeks. So I've got, you know, all the metrics around, cases and detections and all that sort of stuff around um, what my analysts get up to, the amount of time they're spending on it, all that sort of snapshot metrics.
Mm.
But it's presented in an Excel file to me. And so I'm
That's
dabbling with
the wait. Hang
Grafana.
on. That's the world's greatest database. I don't
It
see what your
really
problem
is.
is.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
it is. It has a place, and nothing else is filling it right now. But I'm not going to present an Excel sheet to my team. That's not cool. So I've got this. Or I set up a Grafana instance. I've never touched Grafana in my life, and this goes back to like technology and problem solving and all the rest of it.
Mm.
Um, yeah, I've rolled out my first snapshot report for my team. It's beautiful. I love it. It's
Nice.
pretty. It's blue and purple, and it's got all these, it's just pretty. It's super pretty.